Okay, Marshall, here we go. Hey guys, it's Fun Place. Today we have the Paw Patrol joining us with different colored cars. And we have this cool car ramp with different colored gumballs. Let's have fun!
Welcome to Fun Place.
Now look at this colorful ramp. It has red, blue, green, yellow. Now we're gonna start with the red Marshall car down the ramp. Okay, here we go. Now it's the yellow Rubble's car. Here we go. Oh, are you okay, Rubble? Ow, are you okay, Rubble? It's Sky's turn with the green car. It's Chase's turn with the blue car. Now let's do all four at once. Hey, what are you guys doing in there? You guys want to try the gumballs? Alright. Let's start with the yellow ones, Rumble. Are you ready, Rubble? Here we go. Well, that didn't work out so well. All the gumballs fell off the ramp. We're gonna use these spoons as blockers. We'll put the blue one in the blue ramp, the green one on the green ramp, and the yellow one in the yellow. Okay, Rubble, let's try this again. Wow, Rubble, that worked out pretty good. Good job. Next up is Marshall with the red gumballs. Okay, Marshall, here we go. You're next, Chase, with the blue gumballs. Hey, Sky, it's your turn with the green gumballs. Okay guys, that was so much fun. See you in the next video. Don't forget to comment. Bye.